Now, the other cool things that were added that I can do in iMovie now is I have the ability to do some new audio things. So audio, if I tap on audio here, I have three options. I have my music. These are things that are in my library in iTunes, or things that I've made in GarageBand, etc. But I now have a sound effects library built in that has a whole bunch of different sound effects to choose from. So if I were to go ahead and find one, maybe it's going to be raining, I could tap on that effect and hit the plus sign, and it will add that as an audio clip down here at the bottom. And I can tap on it, I can shrink it up if I want to, I can go to the volume and turn it down, I could fade it in and out if I want by adjusting these lines. So I can still totally adjust that if I want to be able to do that. So the other thing I can do under audio is I now have soundtracks. And soundtracks, there's about 100 different included songs already in iMovie. Most of them have no words, so they're perfect for just background kind of songs. They come in a whole bunch of different categories. There's retro songs and sentimental songs and pop and rock and so on. And if I find a song I like, if it has a little cloud picture next to it, that means it needs to be downloaded, which I just tap on it and it'll do that. Or if it doesn't, that means it's already been downloaded at some point. And so if I tap on that picture and simply hit the plus sign, it will add that song as the background music to my movie. And it does a couple things. First of all, it'll automatically adjust the length of the song to match the length of my movie. Whether my song or my movie is 20 seconds long or 2 minutes long, it'll automatically adjust the length of the song to match, and have it end nice at the end, where it's not just an abrupt ending. The other thing it'll do is anytime I have a recording, like these audio recordings that I did using the voiceover tool, it'll automatically lower the volume of my song anytime there's an audio recording, and it'll go back up whenever I'm done. So it creates a nice professional sounding effect, and the music will not distract from your voiceover. So those are a couple new features in iMovie that came with the latest update that I think you guys will like.